Cyfle gael y croesiad I fewn at y postyn gosa! A Gary Taylor Fletcher sydd yn manteisio! Bangor ar y blaen. Drychwch y lle oedd gan Taylor Fletcher. Dim gobaith o gwbl I Ashley Morris yn y gôl. Hewitt. Galw am y bel, mynnu'r bel yn y cylch canol. Wall ar yr ochr bella, mae Rittenberg a ras I fewn i'r cwrdd Cosby. Dyma Luke Wall. Troi yn naill ffordd neu'r llall. Wall. Croesiad I fewn i'r cort. O, mi oedd hwnna'n gyfle clir. A mae fewn I gefn y rwyd. Stephen Hewitt yn dyblu mantais Bangor. O symudiad hyfryd. Wall yn creu y lle. Ac yna'r peniad yn destlys I gefn y rwyd. Horwood. Hayes ddim yn cam sefyll. Cadw'r bel ar dir chwarae Mike Hayes. Angen y cymorth. Hayes. Troi heibio I Miley. A'r peniad o'r bediad rhagorol. O'r peniad gan Les Davies. O, dyna chi arbediad gan Matthew Hall. Kennedy, dan bwysau gan Jordan Evans. Evans yn ei dwy'n ni. Evans at Hayes. Hayes i'r Bala o'r cliriad oddi ar y llinell gan Paul Connolly. Yn gwbl arwrol. Horwood sydd yn camu fyny arbediad rhagorol gan Matthew Hall o'r gic rydd gan Evan Horwood. Gic rydd cael ei chodi. Valentine ar peniad ac yna Bell ar cliriad. Yr ergyd gan Wall! Luke Wall mor agos at ymestyn y fantais. Cynnig bydd Garo Millicwrt. Davies ar peniad, Connolly ar cliriad. Rŵl. Burke at Hayes. Hayes! Ddeddyliau fod o disgorio. Mike Hayes, cyfle clir arall i'r ymwelwyr. Wel, feddyliau fod nhw o lian gyfartal yn y gêm yma. Holmes. Rittenberg mewn erwa le'r ochr gos yma. Mae Taylor Fletcher yn y cwrdd Cosby. Rittenberg! O, nac I Campus! O, gol ragorol gan Dean Rittenberg. Mi grymanodd hwnna'n gelfydd I gornel y rwyd. Bangor tair, y Bala dim. Connolly, Rittenberg. Dyma Harry. Gweld yr hediad. Campus gan Luke Wall. Wall yn 18 bedair. Rhif 4 ar ei grys o dyna'r bedwaredd gol. Da ni heibio hanner ffordd drwy'r ail hanner yma'r gêm yma hen drosodd. Bangor 4, y Bala dim. Thompson y bel hir ymlaen. Rŵl ar ergyd. Ar gwiriad a Hayes o'r bediad gwych unwaith eto gan Matthew Hall. Wannol dad mae'r golwr yn cael gêm i'w chofio. Braden Shaw yn troi fewn I drwbl ond Allen ond ach I bas hyfryd gan Allen. Wan ta dyma Luke Wall, mae Demetriw hefo fo. A Wall eisiau wedi sgorio unwaith. Wall yn sgwar at George Harry. Harry ar bediad rhagorol, mae'n rhydd I Demetriw. Demetriw dros y trawst. Horwood. Thompson. Dyma Damien Allen at Luke Wall. Eisiau wedi rwydo unwaith. Wall ar ergyd. Luke Wall. O, mae'r goliau yma yn mynd yn well ac yn well. Mae gennym ni 2 funud a hanner o'r 90 yn weddill. Mae'n 5 I Bangor. Anhygoel.
Kevin, fantastic performance.
Yeah, it was. Many parts of the performance we were absolutely delighted with tonight, of course. And it's an excellent result. To win the game 5-0 against a team as strong as what Bala are. And I mean, they were unbeaten in 6 matches, winning 5 of them before tonight. So to go and beat them in the way in which we have tonight is a big statement. And some people will look at that and say that's a big statement, I'm sure. And rightly so. But for us, it's just another 3 points, and it's 3 points closer to where we want to be. But that's all it is. But I thought there was a great mix tonight. Some of the goals were fantastic that we scored, but on the flip side, some of the goalkeeping from Matt to keep us in it, some of the saves he made was absolutely superb, and generally the defending of the back four was excellent as well, and throughout the team. So I thought in that way the goalkeeper and the defence deserved a clean sheet, and the front players deserved to go and score as many as what they did.
It was a strange game, and there's lots of pluses, but if we defend like that, letting 5 goals in, the first 2 are crucial, but we should have gone in 2-1 or 2-2. But you know, I'm always critical of the defenders, but the forwards today, if they take the chances, we could have been 9-5, 9-6.
Their goalkeeper played a blinder.
Yeah, somebody said he's had man of the match, but you know, he's done really well. But are they good saves or are they misses? We were in some great chances at times. They've headed one clear off the line in the first half. He's made a great save from the header in the second half, made a great save from Les's header in the first half. Mike Hayes has gone through a couple of times. Jordan should have shot and passed it to Mike Hayes. Mike Hayes went through and put it wide here. Goalie went down against Ian Sheridan in the second half, but you know, we can go on about that. If we let 5 goals in, we've got to go score 6 to win. So it was an uphill battle, but it was a strange game. You know, I'm not going to be too critical of the lads that did really well, but defensively we've got to be much better.
Yeah, listen, we'll just keep plugging away. We've had a fantastic month. November's been brilliant for us. Starting at Newtown, Aberystwyth, last week at Connors Quay, fantastic away win there, and then tonight at home to Bala again. Like I say, four tough games, 4 really competitive games, strong teams, but we've come through it with flying colours really. 4 wins out of 4, an excellent response to what happened in October.